This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 5th, 2019. This one here, I got a call from a lady. She wants me to go check her furnace and her AC out. Probably check the filters and make sure the system's running up to par and it's got the right freon levels and all that stuff. So I might have worked with her in the past, I'm not sure. I'm going over there now to give it the old how you doing. Go give it the old how you doing, mama. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. And that filter's fine right now, so.
I put that one in, and
yeah.
it said to get green ones, so I got this.
Well, that's fine. I mean, it's big enough.
Really didn't
Yeah,
seem
them are
to-
fine. Them are fine.
Those will
yeah.
fit okay
Yeah,
too
them will
with
be
that?
fine. The same size, 20 by 25.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, so you want to change them check on them every 6 months or so. You know?
Okay, so I got enough. I got a red one here I never even used. Do you want it? Maybe you can tune them.
No, leave it there. I mean, you could use that one also.
In a pinch, yeah.
Yeah, whatever. We're gonna definitely clean that flame sensor. Take that out and check it. Looks like it's an American standard. Don't look bad. I'll clean it over here. It's all worn out sandpaper, that's what I use. There it is, you gotta kind of drop it in like that. This one I have to be careful I don't hit the igniter. Yeah, igniter looks a little worn there. I might have to put a new igniter in there. Looks like it's getting a little worn. Leave that one out for now. Get that igniter out, take a look at it. So we took them burners out, cleaned them, we cleaned the flame sensor. Igniter looks okay. We'll jump it out and start it, see what it sounds like. And we'll jump out the heat, the red and the white. There's the white. And then there's the red. That should run the heat. goes the fan. That looks fine. Let the fan run for a minute, cool the heat exchanger off before I pull it off. Back here at the old American Standard, y'all. Alright, we'll check the AC next. Alright, clean flame sensor, clean burners, ran heat, okay at this time. Put one of my stickers on there. I'm gonna run the AC now. It's a little 14.5-inch wide. Little 1.5 ton. Small little American Standard train setup. We'll switch over to my other kit and we'll check this thing. This overhang. This slasher. Flipping slasher. We'll check the AC. I'm gonna check it. I'm thinking it's probably a little bit low on Freon, I bet you. Spine fin. Check it. What we got here? It's probably a 22 unit. 98. R22. So 98. It's R22. It's gonna be low on Freon, I guarantee that. Not sure if it's a TXV in there or not. Subcooling's a little bit high, and I like to see that superheat's got to come down. Coil equipped with orifice, so it's a piston. So I got to give it a little juice. It's not a TXV, it's an orifice. So it's a little low on Freon. Wet bulb 67. So it's 85. Say 67, 68 wet bulb, 85. We're looking at 16-degree superheat. Gotta give it some Freon or refrigerant, gas, whatever you want to call it. I do have a water hose right there. I can hit this coil on the way out. Right around 20 degrees. to 66, it changes things. 18, 20 degrees will be good. Alright guys, I did hit it good with the hose. Pretty clean inside. I did hit the outside really good with the hose. Alright, because I cleaned the flame sensor, clean burners, ran heat okay at this time, clean condenser, added R22, reset superheat. Down about 1 pound of Freon, 1 pound of refrigerant.